Good evening, friends. Today we shall try to understand how Nifty 50 can or may perform tomorrow, which is 25th of July. Now, for that, I want to show you a weekly chart pattern. So in the weekly chart pattern, if you see here, one red candle, one green, one red, one green, one red, one green, and therefore it is expected that we should form another red candle. Now, there is a substantial big resistance point at around 16,820. Now, how this point has come, if you can go through my weekly videos, you can clearly understand how this point has come. I would also like to take you to a 3-hour channel, to a 3-hour chart. And in 3-hour chart, if you see here the 3-hour chart, then there was a resistance that had formed on 3rd of June, and that high was 16,800. So the 16,820 point should be a good resistance point for us. Keep it drawn in your charts. Now, I would also then go to the 1-hour chart. In 1-hour chart, I reset the chart so that it is visible properly. Give me a minute. Yes. I'm going to draw a parallel channel. And this is a very important parallel channel, and I want all of you to keep this parallel channel also drawn on the charts. And this is, I will take the 3 support points, 1, 2, 3 support points, and also draw this to the support point level, to the resistance point level, which was there at behind. Yes. And here what I see is, again, 16,820 being the resistance point for us. So this is also confirmed by the 1-hour channel that in which Nifty can move. Now, how to trade tomorrow? So for that, to do the trading, I'll go to the 5-minute. I'll remove this channel first. Yeah. I'll go to the 5-minute candle pattern. Now, if Nifty opens flat in and around this range and starts going up, do not take a call. I would not suggest for anybody to take a call. Wait for it to come up to this point, and from this point, when it takes a resistance, take a put. And you will see a small chin-2 candle forming here. Now, what's a small chin-2 candle? Like this type of candle here, this type of candle, but an inverted one. And I'll show it to you also, like this type of candles. Okay, inverted hammer. Let it form, and at that point of time, take a put. Keep an SL of 5, 10, 20, 30 points, whichever suits your risk level, not more than 30 points. Not more than 30 points, 5, 10, 15, 20, whatever it is, but not more than 30 points. Keep SL. If a SL is hit, please close the trade. Exit from the trade. Okay. So opens flat, goes up, take resistance from 16,820. You see from where it takes resistance, it should take it from 16,820 or 16,825, whatever it is. Keep up to 30 points SL. And if SL is hit, exit the trade. Now, second point, opens flat and starts coming down. Now, there are 2 things that I want to show to you. 2 specific candles. One is this candle, which is the 130 candle, and one is this candle, which is the 1040 candle. Now, why this candle is important? For that, I'm going to take you to the volume chart. If you see at 130, that 130 candle, which is this candle, 130 candle, this one. At 130, there was a tussle between the buyers and the sellers, and a small doji candle was formed, small chin-2, which I call a chin-2 candle, which is, and the number of if you see, it's only 39.7 is the volume. Now, when a tussle happens, whoever wins takes the reward. And here the buyers won in the second candle. And then see what happens. Up, moved up, moved up, moved up. One resistance and again moved up. So When such things happens, what happens is that whoever wins takes the market up. So this becomes a support point for me. Now, at the very start, I said that I'm expecting a red candle. So if the market opens flat and comes down, keep this point mark, which is 16,664.35. I will draw this line, 16,664, hold on, 0.35. Be accurate. No, 1664.35. Okay. Opens flat, comes down, let it break this. Let it break this on a 5-minute candle. Let it break. Then take a put. Then consider taking a put. And then after that, my first target would be somewhere around here. I would take my first target to somewhere around. I'll keep a round figure of 16,500. Okay. In and around here, please close your trade. Do not take it any forward. Fine. Now, in the event, and I said in the event there is a gap down, and gap down more than 100 points, then please follow the gap down principle. I have a video saved on that, on the gap down principle, how to trade on gap downs. Please follow that. Now, so this is the two scenarios that when it opens flat, comes down and breaks this, wait up to here, take a put here, wait up to here. Now, what happens if it opens anywhere in between here? Do not take a trade. I repeat, do not take a trade. Wait for it to take a resistance. Now, imagine a situation where you have this particular here drawn. Imagine a situation where you have taken a put here and the market has hit your SL. Please wait for the market at least for 15 candles of 5 minutes, 5 candles of 15 minutes. Observe the market. And if it is breaking 16,851 after that and still moving up, you will see the movement up and up and up and up and up. Still moving up. Then convert your trade into a call and wait and take a target of 100 points from here. Now, imagine a situation where the market opens gap up. Observe the market. If it is coming down and has come down below 16,820, take a put. Confidently take a put. And wait for the target 16,664, 16,500, these two targets. Okay. Now, in the event the market opens below this particular candle, which is 16,603, and this is 16,60, this candle, 16,6, just a minute, this is 16,610, my apologies, 16,610. If it opens below this, then observe the market for some time, and the time should be again 75 minutes, and see if it is coming down. If it is forming a pattern which is coming down, then take a put and wait for your targets of 16,500 and 500 to form. Okay. So that's all from my side, and I'll summarize the whatever I said. Opens flat, goes up, do not take a trade. Wait for it to take a resistance from this level of 16,820, 825. See where it takes a resistance. Take a put with a max of 30-point SL. SL is not hit. Your target should be 16,500 to be more precise, in that range. Okay. Opens flat, comes down, let it come down. Let it break this particular Chintu candle, 16,664. If it breaks this and comes down, then ignore this particular support, wait for it to come to 16,500. Opens in between this 16,664 and 16,610, again, then wait for it to break this support, or wait for it to go up and take resistance from here. I repeat, wait for it to go up and take resistance from here, or wait for it to break this support. And then again sit for a put. 16,500 is my target. When can I take a call? If the market is sustainably going up above 16,820, crosses 16,850, then only take a call with a target of at least 100 points plus, and it can be more than that. Friends, that's all from my side. One thing I'm going to tell you, in my link description, I have mentioned the YouTube channel of my Guruji. Please subscribe to that and kindly go through. He has 36 learning videos. Please go through that. Whatever I have learned in my trading life is from him only. And whatever I have developed in my trading discipline is from him only. If you like my channel, if you like whatever I've said, kindly subscribe and also like. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Sayonara. Bye-bye. Cheers.